Hello everybody and welcome to Storytime. I'm Miss Camille and I'm going to be doing Storytime with you guys today. We are partnering and working with the Riverside Unified Health System today to teach you a little bit about bike safety and to talk and read and sing about bikes. So today we're going to be doing a bike story. We're going to be singing a bike song. We're going to teach you a little bit about how to put on a bike helmet because you always have to wear a bike helmet when you're riding your bike, right? And we're going to be doing a bike craft. So if you want a craft and you don't have it at home, then you just need to stop by any of our 3 library branches and you can come pick up the craft supplies for free. We also have craft supplies from other programs, all kinds of fun stuff to pick up, and books, of course, the best part of libraries. So just stop by any of our 3 branches. We're all open and we'd be very happy to see you, and you can pick up a craft kit at the libraries. Also, something special we're doing for January is we are doing secret codes in all of our videos. So this video is included. There's going to be a secret code. I'm going to put it right here at the bottom. It might show up right now. And you can use that secret code. Come visit us at the Iris Branch Library, which is our very newest library branch. If you visit us there, you can use our 3D printers by bringing us the code, and we'll print you something with the 3D printers. And there's a few things you can choose from. You can pick the color, you can pick the item. It's a lot of fun. So just write down your code or you can memorize it. Come into the library and visit us and tell us that you've got a secret code and you want a 3D printed item. Alright, so look out for that secret code in this video as well as any of our other program videos for January. Alright, and with that, we're going to start with our hello song in sign language. So if you guys have been to a story time with me, Miss Camille, you might know this song already. So if you do, that's great. Try to remember the signs. But if you don't, I'll teach them to you right now. They're very simple and we just need a few for this song. We're going to start with hello. Do you guys remember how to say hello if you've known before? Or if you know from something else even? Remember? It's like this. Hello. Can you do it with me? Ready? Hello. Good job. Do you know how to say friends in sign language? You take your 2 friends and you have them give each other a hug. Friends. When it's time for something, how do you say that in sign language? You point to your imaginary or real watch. It's time. When you want to say, just point to your chin, to say, and then we're just going to say hello again, which we already know, right? All right, let's put it all together. Are you ready? Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Good job. Hello and welcome to Storytime. So we are going to start with a book about bicycles. This one is called Bike and Trike. It was written by Elizabeth Verdick and Brian Biggs. And let's see who the publisher was. The publisher is being so nice and they're letting us read this book for you in this video. So let's see who that is. Let's see. Simon and Schuster. So thank you, Simon and Schuster, for letting us read this book. Trike is a rusty little fellow, a trusty little fellow, on 3 worn-down wheels. Did you know a tricycle is different from a bicycle? Do you know why? Tri means three. 3 wheels. How many wheels does a bicycle have? Two. 2 wheels, right? He sits parked in the dusty dark. Now that Lulu has outgrown me, I sure am lonely. Sometimes younger kids ride tricycles and older kids ride bicycles, but sometimes older kids ride tricycles too, right? But this trike's a little too small for her. Through the years, he and Lulu had braved, what had they done together? Summer bees, Scandinese, a wet seat, the big street. Oh, that can be scary. And the time when Tiny True said, uh-oh, no go. No go. Oh my goodness, that's a shiny new bicycle, right? Oh, it's got its training wheels, but it's got 2 big wheels, right? One day the garage door opens, grum. In rolls a happy young fellow, a snappy young fellow on 4 spiffed up wheels. Hi, I'm Bike, says the new guy, his streamers waving. Oh, I'm Trike. Trike thinks of his own scratches and patches. Just because Bike's new, is it better than Trike? No, I don't think so. Beep, toots Bike. I'm a secret surprise. Lulu's birthday, thinks Trike. Bike is for her. Bike blasts past. It's my, whoa, first time, whoops, out the store. Look out, says Trike. Bike pops a wheelie, wah, thump. Wow. Bike's pretty impressive. But that doesn't mean Trike is not impressive. Bike, says Trike, soon you'll meet your rider. Lulu is the nicest. Watch this trick, says Bike, riding through hula hoop. Za-zoom, zoom. Safety first, says Trike. Aw, back off, old timer, says Bike. I've got a need for speed. Uh-oh. When you guys ride your bikes, do you always think safety first? Yeah, right? We've got to make sure we watch out for cars, don't play in the street, and wear our helmets. It's crowded in here, says Bike. Let's open the door. Ball pushes the button, bounce. Gum goes the door. Bike rolls outside. That path looks fun. Let's race, Trike. Alone? Thinks Trike. Without riders? Uh-oh. Would you go on your bike alone? No, right? You want to have your mom or dad or some kind of adult with you? First one to the woods is the winner on wheels, says Bike. Trike knows each turn and twist in that path. Bike doesn't. Trike's thinking he can win. But he's not thinking, should I do this? I'll be the champ, yells Bike. Whistle blows, go, go, go! Uh-oh, they left all alone. Pedal, 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 Trike's wheels squeak. His metal parts creak. Bike blows by, pedal, 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 pedal. Trike pushes harder. Pedal, pedal, pedal. You can do this, Trike tells himself, for Lulu and the way the 2 of us flew. Trike catches up to Bike. From his handlebars to his wheels, Trike feels a ping and a zing, zing. His bell ring, ring, rings the way it did when Lulu was in the driver's seat. Oops, Trike and Bike's back wheels go bump. Ouch, Bike shouts. Trike stops to help. Are you okay, Bike? Bike suddenly takes off the wrong way. I'm going 4-wheeling, calls Bike as he heads off-road. Oh my goodness. Shortcut. Dip, dash, Bike's gone in a flash. The cliff. Trike gasps. Bike doesn't know how steep it is. Trike has to head Bike off at the pass. He's got to help him. Trike zip, zip, zips, calling Bike, hit the brakes. The grass is slick. Trike loses his grip. He tips. Oh. Crash. Oh no. That was close. Just missed the cliff, says Trike. I guess we both went too fast, huh? Yes, says Bike. I'm sorry for showing off. I guess I have a lot to learn. I can teach you, says Trike. Look how close to the cliff they were. Oh no. Bike leans over, streamers dangling. Here, take my handlebar, Trike. I'll help you up. Trike chuckles. At least one part of me is new. Which part? asks Bike. This dent. Bike says, I like you, Trike. Thanks, friend. Bike and Trike ride side by side, one big, one small, two winners on wheels. The next day, a birthday, Lulu and True. Oh, it looks like Trike is a present too. Do you see that bow on him? Hop on, beep, beep, ring, ring. Ah, so Lulu gets to ride Bike, and her little brother gets to ride Trike. They're both presents. And off they go. And you can see they're wearing their helmets, and they're together, and it looks like they're on the sidewalk, maybe in the park. That's a good place to ride your bike. The end. That's a cute story. Do you guys ride your bicycles? I haven't ridden a bike in a while, but I think it's a lot of fun. All right, are you guys ready to do a song about bikes? This one might be a little bit familiar, but a little bit different. It goes to the tune of Wheels on the Bus, but it's about bikes. Ready? The wheels on the bike go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town. The pedals on the bike go up and down, up and down, up and down. The pedals on the bike go up and down, all through the town. The bell on the bike goes ring, 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 ring. The bell on the bike goes ring, 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 all through the town. The streamers on the bike go swish, 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 swish. The streamers on the bike go swish, 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 all through the town. The basket on the bike holds all the things, all the things, all the things. The basket on the bike holds all the things, all through the town. The handles on the bike go left and right, left and right, left and right. The handles on the bike go left and right, all through the town. The wheels on the bike go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town. Great job. I hope you guys were able to follow along with me for that one. We are going to end with a little bit about how to wear your bicycle helmet safely and a craft.
This is how to safely wear your bike helmet. You need 2 fingers that will fit above your eyebrows, and they should fit between your eyebrows and the bottom of your helmet. Set up 4 fingers that make a V shape around the bottom of your ears, and the helmet straps should go around those. And one finger should fit under the strap beneath your chin. So you don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose either. For your craft this week, you'll need a bicycle template, which you can get at any of the 3 library branches, something to color with, some scissors, and some glue. First, you want to color your template. Then you want to cut out your template. After that, you want to fold your template so it will sit upright. And the very last step is you want to add your wheels. And then you have a completed bicycle craft.
All right, everybody, thank you guys for coming to Story Time. I'm Miss Camille, and I will see you guys in 2 weeks. And Miss Steve and I will see you guys next week for Story Time. And don't forget to look out for that secret code and come visit us at the Iris Branch Library. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.